Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and enter your inventory in the Myob app. Okay, here we are, folks. We're going to set up an inventory in Myob. So first thing is you need to access inventory modules. So navigate to inventory items list in your Myob dashboard and begin setting up your product catalog. You then need to click create item and input the essential product details, including the SKU codes, your pricing, descriptions, and also the supplier information. You then need to select the appropriate item classes to establish grouping rules, costing methods, and availability parameters for organized inventory management. This is an important step. It may seem like a lot of work now, but for the future, it is very helpful. You then have to define units of measurement with automatic conversions when it's needed, ensuring accurate quantity tracking across different packaging sizes, and then you need to configure your inventory preferences. So to do this, enable quantity tracking, set negative stock policies, and choose evaluation methods like standard costing, average cost, or FIFO, or more specific identification. And then thereafter you are going to save and repeat. This just involves saving each item configuration and then systematically repeating the process for your complete product range, and this will build a comprehensive inventory system.